It's home tour time again. This time I am in the Village of Hawkins at 1409 Gatlin Place. This is a cottage home. It's an anchor floor plan, 3-bed, 2-bath. And we're gonna go take a look inside. Room for a pool in that backyard. It's enclosed, so if you have a pet, you wanna pay attention. I'm Robyn Cavallaro, I'm a realtor here in Florida. If you're looking to buy or sell, you gotta call me. I'm your girl. And before we get started, remember, if you're looking to come down and stay, I do have a rental home in the village of McClure. It's called Clara's Cottage. It's cute as a button. And I would love for you to be my next guest. So call me, go to my website over here and take a look around and let me know if you want to stay. You can actually book it right online. All right, so let's get around to taking a look at this home here in Hawkins. I think you're gonna like it. Okay, we're gonna start outside. Let's see, it's vinyl sided. We have a creamish yellow color, black shutters. Whole home gutters means there are gutters surrounding the home, which if you know, new homes, they really don't come with gutters, and it's a 2-car garage. Warm Springs is right behind the home, so it's convenient to a lot of shopping and all of the town squares, Brownwood, the new Eastport, and of course, Sawgrass Grove. All right, so let's take a look. Now, all the information will be listed below, the bond, the CDD information. This home is listed at $335,000. We have vinyl flooring. This is the rolled vinyl. And kitchen interior laundry. This has a Formica countertop. You can see you got a large kitchen. High volume ceiling. This is natural gas because we are south of 44. And we'll take a look over there. That is a pantry. This is a brown wood cabinet. These are not soft closure, but that, that's something you can easily add to the property if you'd like. Again, we have gas here because this is south of 44. Microwave. Dishwasher, side-by-side, stainless steel, GE appliances. So we'll walk down this little hallway. This is your pantry, extra storage, however you want to use that. And then this actually has a separate laundry room with utility sink and the closet. This room is really large. And of course, you can add more storage up top with shelving or cabinets. And the washer dryer included. This has a pocket door to shut it. This is a split floor plan, and we'll get to the other side. What they've done in this model as well is the air handler is in the inside, the interior of the home in this hallway. And I don't want to struggle with that door with one hand. But we have tankless hot water, so there's no hot water tank in the interior. And 2-car garage. Remember, all homes have irrigation. And I'm gonna pass this through. If you're looking for a pre-owned home, you must watch this video all about the difference between MLS and VLS, and what does that mean when you want to purchase a home here and why you need both. So please be sure to watch. So many buyers will come in and tell me, oh, I didn't know. So here I'm making everyone aware so you can make the best buying decision possible. Okay, so I'm gonna take you into the extra bedrooms. They're both facing the front of the home. And all of the bedrooms have carpet. The carpets have just been cleaned. The home was power washed. There are blinds on the windows and ceiling fans. And this also has a closet. And this is a reach-in closet. So you have reach-in closets in the second and third bedroom. The primary has a walk-in. And you'll see that in the middle of the floor there's an electric box. So when you put a sofa and a table, you can actually plug it in, which is nice. All right. And then we'll go here. This is what I'll call it, the third bedroom. And also has a reach-in closet. Knockdown ceiling. We don't have popcorn down here south of 44. You do have another linen closet and bathroom with a tub. Okay. I'm gonna go take a look at the primary bedroom, then we'll go outside and take a look around the backyard. So all the rooms are bright. They have big windows. You have double windows in both of the bedrooms in the front, 2 bedroom windows in the primary, dual sinks with a lot of cabinet space. And large walk-in closet. Now I'm in the closet in the very corner. As you can see how big it is. It's not tall, but you have a lot of space. And again, with proper organization, this would be plenty of space for 2 people. And there's a pocket door that blocks off the commode and the shower. You know, this is the funniest thing. I never had a medicine cabinet in any of one of my bathrooms, but I do find it very handy. Some of the stuff that I need immediately, like conditioner, any kind of my facial lotions and that kind of thing, I'll put in there, and I find it very helpful. I have a much smaller bathroom than this as well, so I have to keep a lot of things on a cart and I push it into my closet, but that I find is very handy. And I should say a little bit handy, it's very handy. And then we do have this large screened-in lanai. And again, this is enclosed on all sides. This is Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock. And I'll stand here for a minute so you can hear, because Warm Springs is, you know, it's a through road through here. So, you know, you're going to find traffic on there throughout the day. And I can't tell if or what is too much noise for you. Everyone is different. So I let you know the road is there, and you need to decide what works best for you. But there's your entrance right there to come into the back. Here is your HVAC unit. Again, the air handler was in the garage. There are always drains in the backyard, which is nice. And there's a spigot. You know, it's really weird. On my patio villa, the spigot is on the opposite side of where all my flowers are. Thank goodness I have a hose long enough. Sometimes I've actually wanted to tap into my neighbor's water, but I wouldn't do that. Again, you can see we do have, there are gutters in the front. Actually, there are no gutters back here. Yeah, they just put gutters in the front of the home. They don't have them on the back. So I apologize for that. Okay. Let's go take a look back through the front. If you have any questions, concerns, please call me, text me, email me. You know, I'm available to answer any questions you have, because this is the home buying process. And sometimes that process takes a long time. So I want to be a resource for you when you're looking to make your purchase. Okay, I'm going to stand back in the entranceway and take another look around. You know, you've got a big wall here for your home entertainment center. You know, you can use this area here for your dining room, or if you choose not to, you just make it a big living room. You can get rid of that light fixture there. So you do have possibilities here. And this is priced at $335. All right, let's go and look outside again. There you go, that's where you can call me if you want to make an offer they can't refuse. That was the entrance to the gate to the backyard. All right, thank you for joining me on this home tour. If you found this home interesting and you'd like to book a showing or a FaceTime call, please call me, text me, email me. Let me know your thoughts. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you next time.